Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ajha Nurjana, majoring in accounting at the University of Nusa Putra. On this occasion, I will present my paper with the little Mudorobah contract implementation system in Syariah Bank Funding Facility product. Let's say the full video. Next, history of Bank Mandiri Syariah. The existence of Bank Syariah Mandiri since 1999 is a legend on a blessing after the 1997 sampai 1998 economic and currency crisis. As is well known, the economic and financial crisis since July 1997 and the subsequent multifaceted crises at the national level have had a variety of very serious negative effects on all areas of people's lives, including the business world. I gave it under this circumstance the national banking industry, which was dominated by traditional bank, is extraordinary crisis. The government eventually took action by restructuring and recapitalizing some Indonesian banks. At the same time, the government has integrated four banks, Bank Dagang Negara, Bank Bumidaya, Bank Exim, and Bapindo into a new bank called PT Bank Mandiri Persero. Next, understanding Mudorobah contract, a contract agreement between two parties, where this contract means both parties who agree with each other. Each party applies to carry out their respective obligations that have been carried out Karim 2009. Mudorobah is agreement for a company in profit with capital asset from one party with work business from the other party. Maliki School Mudorobah is a gift of capital to trade in cash, which is submit to the manager by getting a portion of the profit. If the amount and profit are known. According to the Shafi'i school of thought, Mudorobah is a contract that includes the transfer of capital to another person to work on it, and the profit are shared between them both. The Hambali school of thought, Mudorobah is the surrender of a certain and clear amount of capital or its meaning to people who work on it by getting a certain share the profit. Next, type of Mudorobah. In general, Mudorobah is divided into two types, namely Mudorobah Mutlaqah and Mudorobah Muqayyadah. 1. Mudorobah Mutlaqah. The transaction referred to as Mudorobah Mutlaqah is a form of cooperation which is a form of by the specific of the type of business, time, and area business. 2. Mudorobah Muqayyadah. Mudorobah Muqayyadah are also known as restricted Mudorobah or specific Mudorobah is the opposite of Mudorobah Mutlaqah. The mudorib is limited by the type of business, time, or place of business. The existence of this restriction often reflects the general tendency of the Sahibul Mal to enter the business world. Next, funding product with mudharabah agreement. One product, mudharabah saving. Two, general deposit investment. And three, specialist deposit investment. And four, sukuk al mudharabah. Next, method and discussion. A research method. This research is a qualitative research. The data obtained is this study is primary data because it is based on direct interview with stakeholder at Bank Syariah Mandiri Prabumulih branch. B. Result and discussion. Bank Mandiri Syariah Fund Collection Mechanism 1. Mudharabah Berkah Saving. Saving in rupiah currency where withdrawals and deposit can be made at any time during cash opening hours at Bank Syariah Mandiri counter of drug ATM. Mudharabah blessing saving is very useful as below. A. Safe and secure. B. Easy of cutting and all Bank Syariah Mandiri outlet. C. Of the trusting anywhere using a bank service. D. Is distributing zakat, infak, and alms. Mudharabah blessing saving requirements include individual 1. KTP or NPWP. 2. Company list management, composition management, card establishment, CU. Well, the mudharabah blessing saving charters can be sent for the other requirements and other. Next, scholar investor saving, time saving for education for purpose with a fixed monthly deposit, investment, and equipment with insurance protection. Here, this customer can choose the term of the saving offered by BSM according to the customer need, which will be directly included in the insurance, namely takaful insurance with medical examination with monthly premium cut according to the saving period. Can be sent for the distribution of premium and product saving. Next, Mabrur blessing saving. Mabrur saving is on the funding product from Bank Syariah Mandiri, which aim to assist the implementation of the Haji and Umroh pilgrimage with a like initial deposit and beside on Sharia principle using a mudharabah mutlaqah contract where customer will get competitive for profit sharing based on the ratio set by the bank. Well, the benefit of saving Mabrur blessing: 1. Safe and certain. 2. Get balance notification reminder facility. 3. Insurance. The requirement for Mabrur blessing saving are Indonesian citizen, ID card, and TIN. The 4. Saving plan blessing. Term saving for your previous plan the profit tiered profit sharing ratio. ration and have insurance coverage for free planned saving where the characteristic and a certain minimum amount which is almost the same as regular saving, but customers are required to deposit their funds regularly, track the saving in accordance with the agreement before saving and according the ability pay, and might not be taken before the maturity determined by the customer. For profit sharing, this saving plan it will usually be larger than ordinary saving and smaller than time deposit, and in this plan there is free insurance protection in it. Profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing is the distribution of business results that have been carried out by the parties. The parties to agreement are the customer and the Sharia bank. Profit sharing from planned saving is known and as the nisbah. The customer can ask the customer service section of Islamic Bank what what is the profit sharing ratio, but usually the customer service has profit and explanation of the planned saving and also to profit sharing ratio that has been determined by the bank. In planned saving, savers will get profit sharing in according with the agreement made between the bank and saver's customer. The profit-sharing ratio for planned saving is shared. The profit sharing between the saver and the bank on the income and earned by the bank for managing the depositors' fund according to the agreement between the bank and the saver at the beginning of the contract. The latter conclusion based on the explanation above, it can be consolidated that A. The Mabrur saving service strategy in increasing customer loyalty of the Bank Syariah Mandiri Kase Prabu Muli, among other employees are neat, clean, and attractive. Use the easy in the account opening process of including if the are deficit in the initial BVIH deposit giving attractive price to loyal Mabrul saving customer, maximizing cooperation with institution related to Mabrul saving product Prabumuli City Department. The application B. The application of the contract used in the planned saving is the Mudorabah Mutlaqah contract, which is the form of cooperation between the Sohibul Mal, the owner of the funds, namely the customer, and the Mudorib, the manager of the funds, namely the bank, where the owner of the funds, Sohibul Mal, does not place restriction on the Mudorib in determining the type of business, time, and area of business long as it does not conflict with Sharia principle and is in accordance with bank regulation. In the application of the Mudorobah Mutlaqah contract on the planned saving at PT The Independent Syariah Bank, KC Prabumuli, is in accordance with Sharia rules and principles. The calculating of profit sharing from planned as saving is not always the same every month because it is influenced by bank income, planned saving ratio average balance of planned saving, and the period of time. Enough that I can say the like of this forgive. Thank you all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.